Alright guys, I'm back with the unboxing. The gaming desktop ROG G20. Choice of champions. I hope this is a choice of champions. And the Logitech keyboard is not a gaming keyboard, you know what I'm saying? Things like $150. I just paid almost $1,000 for this. Gotta save money somehow, some way. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, y'all. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna set the camera down and open this with my handy dandy box opener. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down. Hopefully I'm gonna get the thing in the screen. Hopefully my phone don't fall. There we go. I usually do the little stuff first, but I'm kind of excited for this one too, so I'm about to get into this. Gotta make more room because it's kind of... Alright, so I'm gonna let y'all see it with me. Oh yeah, that's the front. That's what it's gonna look like. The blue and the red. It's gonna look amazing. So what you get inside the box? Get this little box. I guess that's all the wires and stuff that you need. Then get this bad boy right here. Guess that's another wiring kit that you need, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably gonna edit out the parts where I set the camera down. Cause y'all don't want to see that. And I don't want y'all to see that, so you know, this right here. Move the big box out the way. Gotta censor myself, cause you know what I'm saying. Alright. That's right there. I'm gonna leave that for last. I'm gonna open this, see what's in here. It might be the manual, I don't know. Oh no, I actually got a keyboard and I bought one. Oh, the guy said it didn't come with a keyboard, so I just bought it. So I bought one. So I guess this is gonna get returned unless I want the mouse. Alright. But if they have a mouse, then yeah, that's getting returned today. Need that money. Need that money. That's gas money right there. Gas money. I'm trying to open this. I don't know how to open it. Yep, got a mouse too. That's getting returned today. Alright, you get the mouse. You know what I'm saying? The bubble wrap. Everybody like bubble wrap because you know. Get to pop that joint. And get that CD right there. Search or something. I don't really know much about this. This is a learning experience for me and y'all. Got your manuals. Got your instruction guide, you know what I'm saying? Set up colors and everything. This is where people can help you. Assisting out. Box. And then you got your power brick. Oh, that's amazing. The power brick right here. That's not what I meant was amazing. But this part is amazing. This is where you can change your actual power supply that's actually in the desktop. You can change that and upgrade it. So I guess this is unboxing of just the desktop, not this anymore. Because I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. So that's $55 I get right back right there. Oh yeah, I got it on sale It's normally $900, but the sale was $820 before the taxes. So after taxes, it was it was $879. This looks official. This is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm being so cautious. Probably because I don't want to mess it up. And then in this little plastic thing, you get this little, I don't know what that is. I guess that don't matter. Look at that. Let me stand it up. Ooh, that just looks so nice. It looks like a console. It looks like a console. Like, it really looks like one of my consoles. But it's not. It's a computer. It's gonna look so amazing. And I'm extra excited now because it came with a keyboard and everything. Look at that. It just looks amazing. And the power brick, it looks like a laptop power brick. So yeah, that was basically my unboxing. That's what the I'm sorry about all these camera angles. I know that it pisses me off too when people do all the camera angles, messing up with face. I get a lot of feedback from this. Yes, it's amazing. My next video will be of me actually setting it up on that monitor or my other monitor. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's been my unboxing. The Choice and Champions Gaming Desktop beat PC. The ROG G20. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe for more, and the games will be coming out soon. I'm so excited. I'm ecstatic right now. I can't even talk. Asus.